Bulloch.Solutions is committed to helping businesses in Statesboro stay up to date with the latest tech and security. Come along with us on one of our latest small business installs here at Statesboro Hots. Statesboro Hots is an upstate New York-inspired restaurant serving your favorite Rochester cuisine with a twist. From the classic Zweigel's hot dogs and Italian sausage to their famous trash plate, they bring the perfect blend of upstate flavor and down-south comfort. We partner with Statesboro Hots to provide security, video surveillance, internet, and business automation. The Alarm.com security system that we installed provides them with all the features of a standard security system, such as motion sensors, glass break detection, and the ability to control and monitor the restaurant status from anywhere. In addition to the standard security, the Alarm.com platform also gives Statesboro Hots the ability to add and customize business automation features, such as smart lighting control, into daily operations. We wired and installed 8 network cameras throughout the restaurant to deter any unwanted activities and assist with monitoring the day-to-day operations. Just like the Alarm.com system, these cameras will allow Pat to check in on Hots anytime from anywhere using only his smartphone. Lastly, Statesboro Hots is set up on a small business bundle, which pairs internet and voice services at a low monthly cost. These reliable services are the backbone for all restaurant operations, including all of the smart security and surveillance features. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Looking for the latest security and tech for your small business? We're only one call away with Statesboro's hottest solution. A pot.